so glad you're here. I wanted to say I am no longer filming on my phone. Now on my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I am going to test it out this weekend and you guys are going to come along while I work out the kinks of the camera and get to figure out using it. And in turn, I'll just make a weekend vlog out of it. Right now, it is Friday, so I have some work that I have to get done. Oh, hello. I will take you guys along for this weekend and please enjoy the new camera and enjoy this video. And if you don't, I don't really care. About to go turn in my keys to my old apartment, pack my top that I was wearing earlier, and my little Brahmin purse, my grandma's. I am going to head off to my old apartment and I will see you guys when I've turned in my keys. I just finished and I hope I get my deposit back. I don't know. They spent a lot of time in the apartment and I know that they have to make sure that everything is fine, but I hope I get my deposit back and at least that little chapter in my life is closed. Now I'm gonna go meet my friend Gabby for a happy hour. So I am at Run Club currently. I'm in my car waiting to go meet up with the crew and I'm not going to bring my camera to this Run Club. First time that I've been to this group, so I don't really know anyone, but the one tomorrow I do know a large group of people, so I feel more comfortable bringing my camera. I think everyone's going to a coffee shop after, and so maybe I'll go grab my camera like then, but for now you're gonna wait in the car. Here is the current outfit that I'm gonna wear. to the bar where we're gonna watch the UF versus UCF game. I'm feeling so insecure about my body because I'm watching these videos back and seeing yourself from behind is scary. So please don't judge me. Keely and I were both tired, so I'm back at home watching the game by myself. Do you think when UCF won their national championship in 2017, do you guys think they did like a pizza party? To head to my second run club. I just took like 30 minutes to get out of bed this morning. I ended up falling asleep watching the Florida game last night, and I just had like such a cozy end of my night. I had my candles going, the game was on, I had Jack pressed up like right into my like side, and I ended up falling asleep during like the third quarter. So we did win, which anyways, I need to go to run club. I just looked outside and it's boring. No. Okay, so my run club just got canceled because of the rain. I was checking the weather and it's supposed to rain all day. So I think I'm going to go to a yoga class at 10:30. I'm gonna do that as like my workout for the day instead. In the meantime, I have like an hour and a half. I'm gonna make myself some pumpkin bread. Just threw up and now she feels bad, so she's hiding from me. It's okay. I'm not mad at you. It's okay. I'm not mad at you. Currently in my car assessing the situation. So in like the past couple hours, this Hurricane Milton has become a lot more serious than I was expecting. Looks like it's gonna hit. It's projected as a Cat 3, which like the Floridians could be like, okay, like I'll just stock up on some water if I have to. Or a Cat 3 could be like, Waffle House is closed, I should be worried. I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's and see if I can beat the church crowd. Today has turned a little bit different than what I originally planned. It was originally like, oh, my run club got canceled and it's raining, to, okay, we're now getting hit potentially with a Cat 3 or 4 hurricane. I grabbed some non-perishables and extra water jugs. Most places were sold out, but of course, the only place that had water was Fresh Market. So I had to get like the bougie water jugs. Roxy's doing. So this afternoon, Katie and I made dinner, and then we put together our entryway table.
And just now I waxed my eyebrows. I didn't realize how badly I needed an eyebrow waxing until just now, but I wanted to say thank you for coming along this weekend for a very chill vlog. If anyone's in Florida or in the path of the hurricane that's going to happen this week, I hope and pray that you all stay safe and make sure to look at resources that are available prior to the hurricane. To anyone, to all my friends and loved ones that have been hit by the hurricane from last week, Hurricane Helene, I will leave some resources and donations from my friends in Asheville that they have been sharing if you're interested in donating. Otherwise, please stay safe, and I will see you guys on my next video. I will be heading to Copenhagen. I'm really excited to go. I will be there end of October and throughout Halloween and the first couple days of November, but I will be back November 3rd, so I will be back in time to vote on November 5th. Vote, please vote, please vote. I will see you guys in the next video, and thanks for tuning in. Bye.